In this ReviewReel review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to create review videos and make affiliate commissions just like I do without having to put your face on camera, without having to speak a single word, and pretty much without having to do a lot of work. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a special bundle discount on the entire sales funnel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I am a 7-figure affiliate marketer, and I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to take a look at ReviewReel, you can go ahead and check out that link below. Also, please hit that like button. It really does help out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of great bonuses here, including some reseller rights bonuses. All of them will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo, of course, after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says create amazing review videos fast that pulls commissions and sales without speaking a single word or being on camera. Create your first profitable video in 10 minutes or less. And this is, for me, an exciting product because, as you guys know, I create these videos every single day. I'm a big fan of review videos. I'm fine with putting my face on camera. I'm fine with talking, but I know a lot of people don't want to do that, or they don't have time to do that. So this will allow you to tap into affiliate marketing, whether you're doing Amazon products, whether you are doing JVZoo products, whatever you want to do. You can do review videos. You can use the software. You can go and put them on YouTube. You can tap into 100% free traffic using the power of this software here. And I'm going to show you a video here in a second that's going to explain this a little bit more to you. But I mean, it's pretty simple here. This will create the videos for you. You just put a little bit of text in the software and it will create the videos for you. I mean, there's guys, this guy right here, Marcus, is making $700,000 a month doing this type of thing. Unbox Therapy makes $1.15 million per year. Ryan Kaji earns $29 million a year. I mean, there's so many review videos, so many niches out there that you can get into. I know people are like, well, it's going to get saturated. It's not. There's so many products to review. Like any product that comes out, you can do a review on it and you can use the software, put your affiliate link in and make money from that. It's an amazing way of making money online. I love it. But anyways, step one, you just answer a few simple questions. It takes about 3 minutes. Step two, you customize the video with auto-written video scripts, auto-generated voiceovers. That can be done in 5 minutes. Then you deploy your review video and get paid, they say. Now, of course, it's going to depend upon what your video is about. And I mean, you're not going to automatically just get paid from it. Let's not be crazy about this. But put enough of these videos out there, and it's like putting these little hooks in the water and catching fish with them, and it's amazing. But yeah, so this here's more stuff about the software. Easily create review videos fast, no learning curve required. You can create hundreds of videos. You get 100 video credits. There is an option to upgrade to an unlimited version. I'll show you that in my review today. You can create long quality HD videos, automatically write and create video scripts, automatically create voiceovers, create and publish review videos to Facebook and YouTube, start your own video agency, add video clips to your videos, add logo and branding in your videos, fully customize, edit the videos, build in audio recorders so you can actually do a voiceover if you want to. It's up to you. And tons of more stuff here with this. I'm not going to go over everything here. And they have some actual examples here on the sales page that you can take a look at so you can actually see what these videos actually look like, which is something that you should want to see. So go over to the sales page. You can actually see those. But I'm going to scroll down through most of the sales page stuff. There's two options on the front end. There's the starter or the commercial. Most people want the commercial. It's going to give you the license, obviously, to be able to even sell these as a service on places like Fiverr. And you get all these extra things here, and the price isn't going to be too different. Now, there is a bundle discount too. I'm going to show you that as well. I'll have a link to that on my review page where you can actually get the front end product and go through the sales funnel, or you can get the bundle and get everything. So before we do that, let's go over and I'm going to show you a quick little video. Then I'm going to come back and show you the back end area, the OTOs, and the bundle.
In this short video, I'm going to show you a brand new, revolutionary cloud-based software that is going to help you generate tons of new leads, sales, and profits in a few simple steps by helping you create profitable product review videos. While the world is dealing with recession and all that's happening, businesses losing money, people losing jobs, the affiliate marketing industry has been growing exponentially. The affiliate marketing business will generate $19.4 million this year in the US alone, and it's expected to grow and generate over $36.1 million this decade. People like Marcus Brownlee earn $700,000 a month from YouTube by creating tech review videos. While some portion of that is ad revenue, he earns affiliate commissions as well. Same way, Unbox Therapy earns an estimated $1.15 million per year just by creating unboxing review videos. Ryan Kaji, a 9-year-old, earned as much as $29.5 million in a single year reviewing toys on video. There are hundreds and thousands of ordinary people just like you and me who are profiting and making big bucks simply by sharing their reviews about physical and digital products online. 438 million hours worth of product review videos have been watched in the past 2 years. Product review videos are the fastest way to build an email list, a huge social media following, and to make a passive income online, especially during the new normal times. However, creating a good review video is hard. You need to write a perfect review script, spend days typing everything down, spend hours trying to create one video, continuously starting over because of messing up, designing everything, formatting, rendering, and whatnot. It's simply not easy. And forget about outsourcing to $100 per hour expensive freelancers. Now imagine if you could create profitable review videos in minutes, just by answering a few simple questions about the product. Imagine if you could sit down, write the product name, copy-paste some descriptions from its websites, and in no time, you would have a video ready for you to publish online and start making commissions. See, this is the idea I got in my head a few years ago when we first launched Reel apps. And after years of hard work, testing, adding improvements, and running beta groups, I'm proud to introduce to you ReviewReel. ReviewReel is the world's first and only product review videos creation platform that lets you create profitable product review videos in minutes. Just answer a few simple questions, follow a few steps, and voila! You've got an instant review video created ready to make you profits. You can use ReviewReel in a quick and simple way to create review videos using its Reel Engine technology. First, click on Create a Video button and answer a few basic details about the product you wish to create a review video about. Details such as product name, descriptions, features, and so on that you can easily write yourself or copy-paste from the product description page or its website. Once that's done, ReviewReel will then process and convert the data you've provided into a professionally written video script generated using AI and automatically create a fully customizable video using done-for-you, stunning-looking review video templates that you can edit as you like using our drag-and-drop Reel Engine editor. You can even add or edit the text, add new background music, images, video clips, and a brand new voiceover using our natural text-to-speech technology. Once done, hit render and download or publish your video on Facebook and YouTube in just a click. Create multiple product review videos for Amazon, Shopify, ClickBank, and JVZoo products and start making affiliate commissions. ReviewReel will let you create review videos in any niche for any product, be it a physical product or a digital product. Upload your videos to sites like YouTube, where 2,000 years worth of review videos are watched every single month. Even if they send you 0.5% of that traffic, that's 1,000 new sales every month. At a $10 affiliate commissions, that's $10,000 in profits plus a buyer's email list. Using ReviewReel, you can not only create profitable review videos, but also create YouTube channels for profits. Tap into tons of buyers and earn affiliate commissions from review videos. Create video sales letters, sales videos, or create simple videos for your clients. Wait, did I just say clients? That's right. ReviewReel, for a limited time only, comes packed with the commercial usage license. This will give you unrestricted rights to create videos and review videos for your clients and charge thousands of dollars in fees. Create videos and convert products into profits within minutes. Not hours, not days, not even weeks, but minutes. With ReviewReel, you start your affiliate marketing review video business without writing scripts, hiring expensive freelancers, or juggling sophisticated video editing software. There's nothing to install, and it's so easy that even a child can do it. Create your ReviewReel account and get instant access today. However, this offer won't last long, and the price is increasing every few hours. And if you act now, you'll receive not only our commercial usage license, but also some very helpful bonuses mentioned on this page. Your ReviewReel purchase is fully covered by our 14 days risk-free money-back guarantee. See for yourself how easy it is to create amazing review videos fast. And if you don't agree that ReviewReel lives up to the hype, then we'll refund your every penny. But the clock is ticking. To get your exclusive access to ReviewReel with the commercial license, all the bonuses, and exclusive training on how to profit from all of this, you need to act fast. ReviewReel is currently available for a one-time fee without any monthly cost or setup fee. Click the button below to get your instant access right now. We look forward to helping you create profitable product review videos using ReviewReel.
Okay, so we are back. This is what the backend area is going to look like here. Everything all online for you, but there are multiple OTOs. So the first one here is the unlimited version. So you can create unlimited review videos. You get more templates. You can create 1080p videos with 30 minutes in length. Different one-click connect, unlimited publishing access, yada, yada, yada. Tons of unlimited stuff here. So that's a $67 upgrade. The next one here is you can unlock the intro and outro creator for your videos and premium templates, and you can remove their branding and access the pro feature. So I know a lot of you aren't going to want their branding on here, so you can actually get rid of that with this. Unlimited access to the offer finder and JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank and Amazon. So this will just help you more with the product. This one is, if I can find the price for you, $57 for this upgrade. The next one is, it says you can upgrade to ReviewReel Track, and they'll actually take care of everything for you, they say. So instant access to 25 ready-made affiliate review videos, customizable review videos, unlimited access to YouTube Keywords Finder, etc. So this is an optional upgrade for you, and this one is $97. The next one here is a 4-week masterclass on affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn how to actually do affiliate marketing and make money with it, this one is $47. The next one is you can get you can add clickable buttons, opt-in forms, menus, and stuff to your videos. This one's $47. And the last one you're going to see is it's high quality audio tracks to add into your videos, so you can have audio for them as well. And this one's going to be $67. Now, like I said before, you can go through that sales funnel and kind of buy what you want and not buy what you don't want, or you can get a big discount by clicking on this bundle link, and you can get the whole bundle. You get the front end offer, you get the OTOs, you get all the features, you get all the bonuses for a one-time price here, $297, and it looks like there's a discount code, review bundle. You can bring that price down to $247. So all these OTOs are optional. You can pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about ReviewReel and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I do not like those limitations on the front end, the fact that you only get to create 100 videos with the front end product. So I know a lot of you, if you're going to purchase the front end, you're going to want to upgrade to that unlimited OTO, which is going to give you unlimited videos, so you don't have any limit on that. So it's kind of a, I don't know, not the greatest situation, but it is what it is. What do I like about this? This is a powerful software. If you want to create review videos, you don't want to put your face on camera like I am. You don't want to talk, but you understand that there's a ton of people making money doing these kind of videos, and you want to get into it as well, or you want to have someone that you outsource do it for you, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at ReviewReel, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.